here in the house of Jorge from Chile. He's a good man.
Really good man.
And showing him that bike that titillated me yesterday. The bike of dreams. We're doing something quite exciting here today. With the help of Jorge. That is going to open up the engine for the first time ever. To do some adjustments, do some assessments. So, it's my lucky day. Okay, so it looks like that bracket has to come up, so you want to take this whole head off, right?
Yeah, no, they want. Those two,
yeah.
And they want the...
Okay.
Yeah, and they want...
Laying bare the top of the engine.
Clearance bare.
Yeah, I'll clean that exhaust intake up.
Yeah.
Jorge spotted some leakage.
It should be enough room to get them off.
Yeah, I reckon too.
So well, I was thinking and ship this bike to Australia and here we trip with this one up there. But I like off-road riding.
Yeah, nah, and your fuel, man. I know fuel is a lot cheaper in Australia, but you'd use so much fuel.
Yeah. Have you found a snake?
No, not really actually.
No?
Maybe see it at a distance, no. Yeah, I've even got very comfortable walking around flip-flops in the bush sometimes, you know. In the beginning you go to Australia, you're like looking everywhere, but once you're longer there.
Wow.
I'm changing the old sprocket to a slightly less old sprocket. Slightly more thickness.
Exhaust pedal, the adjustment there. The same?
Yep.
That one. And this one is quite good. That one.
Yeah.
And then we go to the other one. Ooh. Nearly there. It's not even room.
So yeah, compression's coming down, not good. That's really bad.
Really bad. No compression.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
So another day at Jorge's place.
Yeah, hello guys.
We
Finish the Honda Tran Lab now.
Yeah.
Getting ready for the road.
It's looking good, just almost ready.
The first cylinder is 100 psi. The next one, no psi.
No PSI.
Just flat out,
Shit.
100%.
The rear cylinder doesn't hold compression.
And a beautiful day to continue the
Yes.
the trip.
Glorious day. So the carburetor in that hole,
Yeah.
and we can wiggle it in again a bit. The pipe. That's looking pretty good.
Yeah, good.
Pretty good. It's coming. There you go. That was a lot easier than getting out, eh?
Yeah. We're almost done here.
Shit, yeah.
And then you can drain the oil. I will give you something to.
What kind of oil do you got? Is it full synthetic?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Semi-synthetic.
Yeah, I've been using the full synthetic on
Okay.
Because they said something about the older engines
Yeah.
to keep
Yeah, synthetic is more expensive, better quality.
Yeah.
They go a little bit longer.
putting everything back together now. The carbs back in. Putting up the air filter, hooking up the hoses. Not sure though anymore where these go, but I'll figure it out. I still gotta hook up the radiator.
And we'll see how it works. It's got fuel.
Yeah. Hey! We had it running before. It's not recording.
I remember when you arrived, I can hear the click from the bells.
Yeah.
No, it's nothing. It's fine.
Fuck. It's good suspension, man. It works.
It's really hard to handle in a gravel road with this suspension.
I don't know. I don't know any better.
We need to do a test, Pedro.
Look at Jorge. It looks so nice.
Thank you, Pedro. Pica piedra.
What's going on?
Going to the pool now.
Back to big city Invercargill,
Yeah.
where it all happens down south.
We must stop for a glass of juice
The place to
meet
be.
some people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mingle a little.
Yeah.
Talk about something else, then.
Oh, the sheep, cows.
Cows. Let's go. Put your truck for sale, Jorge. Why?
Why? Because I want to travel in a motorcycle like Pedro. I kept my dream for the last 8 years.
It's time to go. How long have you been here?
7 years.
7 years.
So good time to go.
You've seen all of New Zealand.
Yeah.
It's time to go see the world.
Yeah. All you can see here is just sheep.
Oh shit. Maybe there's some more sheep around the hill. Maybe.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We're gonna try some snake oil. See if it works. We got some of this shit, man. I think it won't fuck up the clutch. I think. Too much money.
You will have compression
Hope for the best, man. That would be nice if I don't have to worry too much about that.
for another 5,000 amps.
We'll see. Yes, this is dog. They're pretty sweet. Temporary shorts for the pool. How much? $3?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm just definitely gonna go for this one. The whole world made in China.
Yeah.
Are these $2?
Yes, yes. Oh,
You go, $2.
yeah.
Thank you. Anyway, $2 shorts, but we're going to the pool. We're going to the pool, and this is the front. Man walking around with a camera at a public swimming pool. Not at all dubious. Nice swimming session, Jorge.
Really good, man.
Yeah, right. Had a case of indecent exposure, but you know, all in a day's work. These things happen, man. In today's episode of Confessions of a Around the World Rider, I'm leaving behind something for Jorge to have, which I've used about once. It came in handy when I had to slam things, you know, on the panniers in the past, but that's about it. And this is all I had when I left. It's a big ass adjuster, shifter. Pretty heavy. How much would this be? Like 200 grams at least?
Yeah, 200 grams.
Yeah. You can do some aerobics with this shit. Behold.
Thank you, man.
Beautiful.
We leave this one for Mr. Mota. How many countries this one means?
That's it. That's a pretty exotic. That's 30 countries, man.
30?
30. There you
Really?
go. Yeah.
No way, man.
What do you call these in English? See, this one's pretty big too, but it is useful from
Maybe I
time
can
to
let
time.
you know in Español. Caiman.
Cayman.
Caiman.
It's like an alligator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In English, I can't remember, man.
Shit. It's like a adjustable plier.
Yeah, that one's quite good.
Yeah, these are pretty useful to latch on the stuff.
Yeah.
It's time for this. I don't know, but we'll see, man. Now I have to shake this a lot. It's tough to shake though.
We got here Pedro fixing his engine.
Yeah.
I hope the engine can run for maybe another 4,000 km.
We'll see.
That tough.
Yeah.
Before we reveal the engine.
I don't know if I want to put this material in a video because some very crafty video people could just take what I'm doing now and just change this, you know? Yeah. There's some very capable people on the internet. I don't underestimate it.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, still more, right?
Yeah, just to start off, put a little bit more, you know?
You want some of this?
A drink? Yeah.
Protect.
You wanna protect your compression?
Protect your intestines now with Rizlone. It's better than, what's the name of that stuff? The Japanese figured? Yakult. Drink Rizlone instead of Yakult. It works for engines, why wouldn't it work for you? And me. Yeah, get a little drink.
So how was the level in the engine? Oil level?
It was a bit low. Jorge is going to Queenstown today. Having a little fun, you know, get some business done, you know. And I'm going to Cromwell. And this is definitely the time now to settle down. So as of tomorrow, I'll be going around looking for work. And hopefully a place that also provides accommodation. So I can go at the New Zealand dream. Make some money, make bank to who knows where next.
Time to leave Mr. Mota to get a job. It's time to say goodbye. Mr. Mota. We'll see him again maybe in a month's time.
Okay,
man.
man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Fantastic,
see
man.
you next time, you too, man.
Thanks
Enjoy
for all
your
the
time
help, bro.
Cromwell. No worries, man.
But I'll see you soon enough.
Yeah, no, see you soon, yeah. Really nice guy to meet.
Okay. Hasta luego, hombre.
Hasta luego, amigo. Enjoy your trip. Ride safe.
The most wind I've had so far
Now?
in New Zealand, yeah. I've really noticed that coming down south is better than going up north.
Yeah, yeah.
For now, it seems less wind.
Yeah.
Good day. Ah, sweet ass. How you doing?
Hello.
No.
Long black with some milk.
On milk on the side?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just had coffee here in Five Rivers. So we've gone up. We're from the Invercargill region. Over here. Around. We have Five Rivers. So I assume I'll be back at the lakes. Everything will get ridiculously beautiful. Jorge will go to Queenstown. I will go to Cromwell region. If it wasn't winter, I could have taken this road here. It's called the Nevis Crossing. Although, state of the panniers at the moment, crossing all those rivers, would be a wet mess. Today I actually cleaned out a lot of water still from the ride to where was that? Glenorchy and Kinloch.
Okay, man. Ciao, amigo.
See you in a month or so, yo.
Yeah, see you in a month, man. drive safe and enjoy your time in Cromwell.
Yeah.
If you need something, let me know if you want to come down to my place.
All good. Take care of the cows in Queenstown, okay?
Oh, yeah. Okay, man.
See you, buddy.
See you, man. Take care. On
You
the
too.
road.
Hey, gracias too, you know.
You're
Fuck.
welcome, man. No worries. We will bring this bike back to life.
That's it.
Properly.
I'm looking forward to it. Ciao. Now, great guy. Great way of meeting. Just so random again how these things happen. It's absolutely beautiful. Really enjoyed myself with Jorge, and I'll see him again soon. He just came walking up to me at the Hayes store, and just like that, you spend, 4 days with someone. So there you go. Beauties of travel on a motorbike. Look at this! Woo! Look at that! Yeah, the headlight fuse is blown again. There's definitely something up, and I don't know what yet. There we go. Perfect. So great night here in Cromwell. It's about 11:15. I'm going to find a place to camp. A bit late because it started to rain. It's 5 degrees. So I'm going to try a new one here, which I haven't, and that's under the bridge. See what kind of spot is there. There's a bridge in front across the town, so I'm going to go for the classic under the bridge. Haven't done that one yet. So just don't want it to rain all night on the tent. Tent zipper's broken too. Plus setting up a tent and packing a tent in the rain ain't the funnest thing. Unless it's 5 degrees.